I'm Mudidale, he Congress candidate from the south. Sardina जिंकतो हांव मोठी जाल्लो आनी बाबुशागे प्लॅटफॉर्माचेर देखून हांवें चॅलेंज मारली. आतां it was a known fact that he is going to win only because people have voted for the Congress. So the South Goa is the bastion of the Congress. आनी हे आमकां किशे भाशेन सिद्ध करपा जाय आसलो म्हणून आमी सगळ्यांनी काम केलें. Now all of us have worked. Even I, who had got was not in good relation with him because he has always been opposed to me. I have even worked. Now whether he says it or not is not important for me, but it's important that I worked. I worked and we have seen that we have made sure that Aam Aadmi Party doesn't take away our votes. My target was that Aam Aadmi should not take over. They were saying that they would get 50,000 votes, 40,000 votes. They didn't get it. My expectation was they would take only 15,000. I think they took about 19,000. So I think that's one thing good, and people have come to know that a person who divides the vote should not be voted. That is very important. A message has gone to the people. Now we have a long battle. The fight is not over. We have to continue our fight. Now it depends who will be there to fight. Some people, don't want to fight. Some people, they consider attitude of it's better to compromise than to fight. But then it depends. But one thing is sure is that the task ahead is quite big, and our party needs a revamp. It's very clear because if you go to see, the whole perception of the party has to change. Now, if you are able to manage to change the perception, fine. Otherwise, this way we cannot go ahead. The way things are standing, we cannot go ahead. We have to put some infuse new blood, infuse new ventures, new systems, and new things, and then fight it. Otherwise, it cannot go. National level, I just see. National level, if you go to see. Amge policies are there, people have not accepted. In the sense that, again there, it was perception. Yeah, no, it's a perception. See, the BJP was able to create a perception against Rahul Gandhi. But one thing is clear, nobody is talking about Mamata Banerjee, nobody is talking about AIDMK, DMK, nobody is talking about other parties. YSR, so many parties are there. They are not talking about them. They are talking only of Rahul Gandhi. Why? And you have decimated him, you are saying that he is decimated. Why are you talking against him? So he is the only formidable opposition that is there, if you go to see, whether somebody likes it or not. He is the only guy, he and Priyanka is the only guy who made the Prime Minister Modi almost brought him to his knees. You should have seen his face at this. Now, results, they are too shocking and too surprising. It can't be that there was no opposition. If you see the rallies, if you see the people, and if you see the support, even if you point out and see, this is certainly not the result what was put. So, you never know what can happen. It's just a question of time. The truth always comes out, somewhere or the other. But one thing is sure, we from the opposition will continue our fight. We have to be there. Like yesterday, incident took place. Today I am on the police station. That spirit of mine has not gone down. And our spirit will not go to fight. We will be there with the people. Doesn't matter where we reach, but important is the spirit to fight and be with the people.
कालचो जो पळय रिजल्ट आसा 6 4-2 जाला तेजेर तुमी सॅटिस्फाय आसा?
सी सुभाष शिरोडकर उलयता जाल्यार एक कॅन्डिडेट बसपाक जाय आसलो. हांव टायम एंड अगेन सांगतालो, हांव सांगतालो हेकाय बी सोबते उडयतालो एक कॅन्डिडेट जावपाक जाय. सो हांव पार्टी टिकेट डिले केली. सो लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स. सो एनीवे ऑल दीस थिंग्स हॅव टू चेंज.